Hello, today I'll be showing you how I framed my dried wedding flowers, and you can do this with any flowers that you want to keep. I got the shadow box at Michael's. You'll need your dried flowers, a pair of scissors, and a glue gun with glue sticks. I started out by separating each type of flower and foliage into different piles. This would look best if you dried your flowers using silica gel or by hanging them upside down. I chose the pieces that looked the best and worked with that. Start by cutting and placing pieces on the backboard of the shadow box. Once you like the arrangement, you can start gluing them down. Make sure the plants are within the board, otherwise your shadow box won't close properly. Add a little bit of extra glue where needed so it's secured. Then place the backing into the frame and you're done. I also tried another method that would work best with pressed flowers, but I used the flattest pieces that I had. I used a double glass frame and positioned them within that. I hope this gives you some ideas to frame your flowers from a special occasion. Thanks for watching!